Hello students, welcome to VBH classes. So today we are going to start the trigonometry NCERT series. So without wasting a time, let's start question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB 24 cm, BC 7 cm. Determine sin A, sin C, cos C. In this kind of questions, first we need to draw the figure. So let's again read the question and draw the triangle ABC. We don't know where is ABC. So here right angled at B, the hint is given, right angle is at B. So this is our right angle 90-degree triangle. Here you will write the B. AB 24 cm, where to write A and B? So now let's read what you are supposed to calculate. Here determine sin A, angle is A, so draw angle A here for the first part of this question. A, B is here, now A, B and this is C, right? So first calculate sin A. What is a sine? What is a cos? So here again let's revise. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. Why I am writing this SCT outside? Because this is our sine, cos and tangent. P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and P means perpendicular, then B means base. Perpendicular upon base. So here what we are supposed to calculate? Sin A. So we need P and H to calculate sine. We need P and H. What it is given here? AB 24 cm. So write AB 24 cm, BC 7 cm. Perpendicular is given. Base is given, but hypotenuse not given. So first we need to calculate the hypotenuse. What is the method of calculating hypotenuse? Again, you need to revise. Hypotenuse is equal to the square of the perpendicular and base. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base and under root. So this is our hypotenuse value. What is a P given? P is given here 7. B is given 24 cm. So here calculate 7 7 49, 24 into 24 576, total is 625 and under root of 625 is 25. So our hypotenuse value is 25, write 25 here, right? Till here it is clear, बिल्कुल clear है, कोई doubt, कोई शंका? Fine. So let's go further now. Now next thing we have to calculate sin A and cos A. How? This you have done, so I am erasing it. Now understand, in this triangle now we have three of the things. Sin A, let's calculate first part, sin A. What is the sin A? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right here P upon H. What is the value of P? That is 7 cm. What is the value of H? 25 cm. So answer is 7 upon 25. Sin A. Now next is cos A. So cos A, what is a cos A? Again Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole सोना चांदी चोले, ये तो आपके बिल्कुल फिक्स होना चाहिए माइंड में. सो हेयर व्हाट इज अ cos? Cos value is B upon H. So right here base upon hypotenuse. What is the value of base? That is 24 cm. What is the value of hypotenuse? That is 25 cm. So answer is this. The first part is done. Now let's understand the second part. And see, बहुत सारी वीडियोस आपने देखी होंगी, लेकिन वहाँ पर किस तरह से बताया जाता है कि आप ये वाला perpendicular है, ये वाला base है. तो very simple trick I am going to tell you today, that you have to draw another triangle. Why another triangle? Because here is angle A, but here is angle C. So you will draw another triangle angled at B, right angled at B. So angle B is here only. Right angled at B, so angle B will remain this. 90 degree will remain this only. Now as you need to calculate C angle, so C you will draw here. Here you have to calculate A, so A you will write here. If you have to calculate angle C, you will write C here. B, C, so this will be our A here. I am going to tell you ये हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एंगल चेंज हो गया. एंगल चेंज हो गया तो देखने का पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो गया, इसलिए हमने क्या किया, दोबारा से इस ट्रायंगल को यहाँ बनाया और इस एंगल को जो आपने कैलकुलेट करना है, एंगल जो एंगल पूछा गया है वो एंगल आप नीचे ड्रॉ कर देंगे. ठीक है, उसके बाद सेम वैल्यूज लिखो. ए बी कहाँ है, ये रहा 24 सेंटीमीटर. बी सी कहाँ है, 7 सेंटीमीटर. और दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट. अब दोनों फिगर्स में आपने देखा होगा कि हाइपोटेनस दोनों का सेम होता है, सो वी डोंट नीड टू कैलकुलेट हाइपोटेनस अगेन एंड अगेन. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ओनली यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. I'm just telling you that you have to only draw this figure again. Okay, so now very easy. Second part, sin C. Sin C is same, perpendicular upon H. Formula is same. Now perpendicular, what is the value of perpendicular? 24. What is the value of hypotenuse? It will remain same, 25. Second part is cos C. B upon H. What is the value of base? That is 7. And what is the value of H? It's 25 again. So answer is this. Question number 1 is over. Quickly note it down. Do it once again yourself.